ain't about to cancel me, bro. They canceled Kyrie, they canceled Kanye, and now you want them to cancel Drake, bro? Hell no. Hey, let me hear that weak ass SP1. Trash.
How real super sound, right? Oh, that's the turbo too, right?
You sound like you got a supercharger. You sound like a Hellcat. Hey, that shit sound like a Hellcat. Damn, bro, I need that wing. How much is the order that shit?
Sounds like he got cams.
No.
Nah, when it was idling just now, it was like,
that nigga going to jail. 100% he going to jail. But anyways,
that shit sounds clean.
I wasn't going to record today. Well, I was supposed to record yesterday. I didn't. Even the cameraman bullshitting, because technically the cameraman be like, yo, Dre, let me get the camera. And then I would have been just recording. Damn, that shit sound good. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to tear this motor apart. I'm basically just going to take off the oil pump, the oil pan, all this stuff right here. I'm going to take the head off. So I got to take the cams out. And then we're going to replace all these gaskets. I don't know if I'm going to get finished putting it back together today, because it's still got to clean it up. Going to replace all these gaskets, and then we're going to be good. The dude that had this car, you a BITCH, bro. Hopefully you see this. You had this car, bro. You was a little, bro. You did no maintenance on the car. You wanted 20 bands for the car. Bro, you just trash. Trash. But we're going to get it back right, so we're going to see. Alright, cut. So, we all know on the 4G63s, right? The Evo motors. Like, this shit just has a pin in here, right here. This just has a pin. You're supposed to just pull this, you're supposed to be able to pull this off, and it's supposed to be able to slide on and off. I don't know what this dude did. It don't even look like there's a pin in here unless it's further in the back. I really can't. That's why I hate buying project cars or used cars. It's not even supposed to be a project car, but it's turning into that because people don't do maintenance on their shit. Like I'm saying, if you had this red Evo, you were BITCH, bro. Like a heavy bitch. This shit sound like the oil pump was already gone. Listen to that. This oil pump was good thing replacing the oil pump. Let's go, bro. We need the content. Alright, bro. My man hoping for manly pistons. You about to see what my boy got.
We'll see what type of nonsense under this shit.
That man told him it was a clean motor, all this look where we at. Look at the grease on this. Bro, this motor was not properly maintained at all. I know like engines get dirty, but it's horrible. Moment of truth, cuz. Hey, bro. If this ain't in here, you gotta email this and tell him he a BITCH, bro.
Right. I'm trying to figure out what's this.
What?
Like what this is.
What, this?
Yeah, is that supposed to be there?
Yeah, that's supposed to be there.
Okay. Shit, let's see.
Moment of truth. You recording this, bro?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. I heard you gonna pop it off yet. Hold on.
Take a sneak peek. Don't do that to me, Dre.
Hold on, bro.
Don't do that to me, Dre.
Hey, hold on, bro. Hold on.
Don't do that
Hold
to
on,
me,
hold on. Because I might just put this down and go in the house.
Bro, don't do that shit to me, bro. Come on now. I'm about to cry. How you take it off?
Normally, this doesn't even have a gasket. It just use RTV. Hold on, cuz.
Oh, it says Manly right here. It says Manly right there.
Hold on, cuz. Oh, at
It's
least
Manly pistons.
that's a manly crank.
Oh shit.
Fuck. It's a manly crank, bro.
Alright, but what about the pistons?
So my man put a manly crank in here and ruined it? You'd have to drop the pistons to see the sidewall. Because you're not going to see the pistons from down. What the hell I was thinking? 'Cause you ain't going to see the pistons from down here unless you... That's,
You got a flashlight or some shit?
at the bottom. Probably got to clean the top off. Damn, I'm going to delete that. Don't make me look dumb. Looking for the pistons down. What the hell? Why was I... What the fuck was I thinking?
You said let's get the content, so let's get the content.
Alright, bro. We're going to leave that.
You always want to make. You always want. Look, you see, this is the thing that I don't understand, right,
What?
guys? He always put the shit in there, right? That make me look bad.
No,
But he don't ever put the shit in there that make him look
I
bad.
always put the shit in there that made me look bad, bro.
So we gonna keep this shit in here,
You don't edit?
bruh. I hope y'all see this shit, bruh. I mean, this shit look clean for the most part.
Grab me the needle nose pliers, bro. Bro.
What is that? What is that?
It's something that ain't supposed to be here, that's for sure. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, what is that, bro?
Came out of here.
Came out of the old pickup tube.
There's another one in there.
Yeah, I know. Watch out. Ooh, boy.
You just dropping the shit in there.
You know what probably happened?
What?
Fucked the motor up before. I don't know what these are. He fucked the motor up and they used the same pickup tube and never cleaned it out. Niggas be bitches, bro. So you got a manly crank. Probably got, I don't know, you might have pistons. But that's the pistons didn't look OEM at the top. I mean,
You want to show them what the top of the pistons look like, though?
fucking corroded.
Look at this shit.
There's another one in there, bro.
In the
What was this dude doing, bro? Dude, y'all shouldn't own, bro. Don't, if you can't keep up with a car, bro, don't buy it, bro. Like, why you got all these little things in your oil pickup tube? Why these look like the oil squirters, though? Bruh. Why does that look? Why these should look like your oil squirters? Oh my gosh, bro.
is it the ones right here?
Yup. All these are the little oil squirters that's supposed to be in the motor. That squirt the oil on the bottom of the pistons. Bruh, 3 out of the 4 is gone. That one's gone. Dang, bruh. You might have to order a new oil squirter. That shit stink, bro.
The oil.
Nah, farted.
You can keep that shit in there, right?
What? Nah, I'm gonna edit that out. We putting the motor back in on Saturday. Bro, you still gotta clean that.
That shit gonna be done. Trust me, I'm gonna get that shit done.
You still gotta kind of clean up the block. We gotta disassemble the oil pump, take all these off. We should have just,
I'm telling you, every day I come home from work, I'm gonna be doing that shit because I need my car back.
we should have deleted the balance shaft, but oh well. Still can, but that's more money you gotta spend, bro. Damn, you black, man. You out here bit like Batman. Yeah, just clean that up. We can reassemble everything. I could literally reassemble the block in like one day, bro. Hey, but we ended up. God damn it. Hey, God said go in the house, bro. You ain't even put the microphone on the camera, bro.
Huh?
Don't even worry about it, bro. But what we ended up doing, we ended up stripping down the block. We got the water pump off, the oil pump off. We ended up having to pull that pulley off because with a you know, like a bearing puller type thing, pulley puller. Because this shit was so seized up, we had to use the pulley to get it off. Normally you could just take these off because it's got the little groove back here for the daggone for the little shit that go in there. It's got a little groove. But let me get that. Oh, but we ended up taking that off. It does have Wiseco pistons. It does have the Manley crank. I mean, I guess it's a built bottom end. For the most part, it's a pretty decent block. But what we're gonna do is tomorrow he gonna clean this up, clean this side off with some with a razor blade to get all this off. Maybe hit it with a little wire brush or whatnot, you know, on the drill so you don't get no grooves in it. Something smooth. The pistons had a bit of carbon on it. Just rub it with some brake cleaner. Most of it came right up. It's not really much to it, but that's the block. For now, we just gonna throw a trash bag over it and go in the house. This motherfucker is Juju, Evo Juju.
No, it's Evo Jew.
Evo Jew?
Yeah.
Oh, that's racist, bro. I'm gonna change that. I thought it was Evo Juju.
It's Evo JU. Evo_JU.
But you pronounce it Evo Jew. Bro, they canceled Kanye. They canceled Kyrie. You about to be the next one,
Bro, it's JU, not JEW.
Bro, but it's not how it's spelled, bro. It's how it's pronounced. You about to get canceled.
Bro. If you put it in like spelling on
I'm not putting that on my channel, bro. So the guy behind the camera, Javon, I ain't pronouncing the stuff he talking about. Bro. You ain't about to cancel me, bro. They canceled Kyrie, they canceled Kanye. And now you want them to cancel Drake. Bro. Hell no. But there's a little tip for some of y'all that don't know. Just throw a trash can over your block. I mean a trash bag over your block so you don't get all the dirt and shit in it. You'll be good. Simple as that. And tomorrow we come back to it. But I put this video out for y'all this week. I appreciate y'all. Peace.
I got 100 on the gas, 20 more in the tank. My legend status been solidified. Drop topping back when niggas couldn't get a ride. We not the same and they mad that I'm well aware. Basking it, I'm the shit, niggas smell the air. I'm globe trotting my check.